we're in the Amazon rainforest in South America.
But this isn't the only rainforest. There are lots of rainforests by the equator.
These places don't have seasons.
The weather goes between 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit.
We are the fourth floor. We are in the fourth floor. But that isn't the only level.
That is not all plants grow with soil in rainforests.
We need the rainforest. Since many animals live in it, they will die out. The trees provide oxygen and we need it.
Many animals live in this climate. The bottom of the food climate is plant eaters. Then it comes herbivores. And then it comes meat eaters.
Some are really rainy. It can rain 200 inches or 600 centimeters.
Wow, the people of the rainforest sell to poor countries. I hope you will help us save the rainforest. Bye!